The result analysis shows that odor substances decreased by 90% from 1,300 to 130 in 3 months. After the installation of deodorization pipe in a pig farm, it also shows that the odor index was decreased from 31 to 21. This means that a tremendously strong odor changed to a relatively mild odor. According to the Japanese Ministry of Environment, the odor substance, odorant, index of 1,300 means that 1,300 times of odor-free air is required until a participant in the experiment can no longer recognize the odor. The decrease of odorant index figure from 1,300 to 130 means that the odorant was decreased by 1,170 times when diluted with odor-free air. This inspection result were achieved by using triangle odor method during pre-installation and post-installation of deodorization pipe.